Hey everybody, welcome to our weekend check-in video for PSY-45 research methods for Saturday, July 1st. Just going to go over a few items and reminders and clarifications like I always do in these things. So let's get started as we wind down the end of our second week and 4 more to go. I'm sure you're looking forward to that. First up here is that part 1 of your APA style literature review paper. If you haven't submitted that already, you can still do it up until tomorrow evening, Sunday, by 11:59 p.m. I will be posting feedback soon. I have been working on those, but still got some folks that haven't turned it in yet. So if you're one of those folks, please get it turned in as soon as possible. Next up here is that your most recent exam for Unit 1, Chapters 1, 3, and 4. That closed yesterday there on Friday, so you should be seeing the scores that you earned, and do take a look at any feedback I gave you for those 2 short answer essay questions. Unit 2, which covers 3 chapters again, Chapters 5, 6, and 7, that opened up there on Thursday of this week, so you are welcome to work ahead. So get your quizzes, your discussions, your mind taps, all those things out of the way so you can continue to stay on top of things and not get too far behind there. Next up here is that part 2 of your paper is due next Saturday there, July 8th. So that's your outline, component 2. So again, go to the bottom of our course page underneath Unit 5 and open up the instructions for component 2, the outline. Just like you saw for part 1, there's a little short how-to video up there at the top where I walk you through with screenshots and show and tell you what you need to do. You'll especially find it helpful for this part 2 to examine the many sample outlines that I posted there for you. So do take a look at those. I kind of put together a collection of the good and the bad and the ugly so you can see what a good one looks like and you can see what to avoid with the bad one. So do take a look at those. It'll really help you out. Just trust me on that. Next up here, regarding our usual discussions and quizzes, Chapter 5, which is our chapter on samples. That discussion and quiz are due today, Saturday, and don't forget that time differential. The discussions are due earlier at 9 p.m., the quiz as due later at 11:59 p.m., so make sure you keep that in mind. And your Chapter 6 quiz and discussion is due the following Monday, July 3rd, and your Chapter 7 quiz and discussion is due the following Thursday, July 6th, so do keep that in mind. And just a heads up, your Unit 2 exam, which covers Chapters 5, 6, and 7, again, things are coming up fast and furious here. It is opening next Friday through Sunday, July 7th through July 9th. You'll be getting an announcement about that soon, so do take a look at that. And your mind tap assignments, as you'll note in the announcement there, are due on the Thursday evening before the exam opens up Friday there. So Thursday, July 6th, 11:59 p.m., you have to have your mind taps done. That's pretty much everything I wanted to say for this time. Most of you are doing just fine. I'm sure you're settling in, even in the short time we've had already to get everybody acclimated. So if you have any questions in the meantime, please reach out via email on Canvas. I'll be glad to get back to you. Otherwise, again, work ahead as you're able to, and check out those lecture videos, and we'll have our usual live session there this coming Monday at 11 a.m. So maybe I'll see some of you there. Again, it's like open office hours, so I'm there as a live person to answer any of your concerns if you have any. So feel free to show up there during that time. All right, have a great weekend. I will see you soon.